Hey, ready to level up your patch game? Today, I'm showing you how to make pro-level embroidery patches using a Barudan Embroidery Machine. Whether you're jazzing up jackets, bags, or just want to flex that creative muscle, let's break it down step by step. First up, you need your patch design. Fire up your favorite embroidery software. Barudan Embroidery or Hatch. Work great. Digitize your artwork, and don't forget to add a bold satin stitch border for those crisp edges. Set your density right, and if you're working with twill or felt, add placement and tack down stitches. Next, it's material time. Grab a stable base like twill or felt. You'll also want tearaway or cutaway stabilizer, and maybe some heat seal or adhesive backing depending on how you plan to attach the patch. Polyester thread is your friend here, and go with a 75/11 or 80/12 needle for best results. Now, hoop it up. Lay your stabilizer and patch fabric together in the hoop, nice and tight. If your material's chunky, a bit of adhesive stabilizer or spray can help keep things in place. All right, let's stitch. Load your design onto the Barudan, USB or network, whatever works. Trace the design to be sure it's lined up. Start off with a placement stitch, then tack down, then let the embroidery run. Save the satin border for last and slow the machine down here for that perfect edge. Once it's done, use sharp scissors or a hot knife to carefully cut out your patch. If you're using heat-cuttable twill, a hot knife or laser cutter seals the deal for extra clean edges. Backing time. Want an iron-on patch? Use a heat press for about 10 to 15 seconds. Prefer peel and stick or Velcro? Easy, just stick them on. Finally, trim any loose threads, heat seal the edges if needed, and give your patch a quick quality check. Pro tip: Barudan machines are all about precision, so use those tension controls and always test out new designs on scrap first. Happy stitching!